Snowman. Time to cozy up and snuggle down, ready for a magical sleepy adventure in the snow. Only this is better, because you get to stay warm and dry. Breathe deep and let yourself melt like a chocolate ice cream on a sunny day. Your body feels all soft and relaxed on the inside and the outside. With this lovely feeling, we set off on a special journey in our mind, diving into a storyland where your imagination makes the magic happen, like a dream. Winter is here. And outside, snowflakes fall, like feathers covering the world in a fluffy white frosting. But you are inside, all warm and cozy, watching the snow show through the window. The snowflakes flutter down, landing on the ground, making a powdery soft carpet, turning everything white. A glow of excitement flickers inside you as you light on the best idea ever. A snowman. Yes! Popping on your coat, pulling on your boots, wrapping up in your scarf, wiggling fingers into warm gloves, and your best bobble hat. Ready? Let's go. Out into the frosty garden, where the air is so crisp and fresh. You step, hop, run and skip, relishing the snow going crunch, scrunch, crunch, scrunch under your sturdy boots. You freeze, stop, and stand completely still. Listen. Isn't it quiet? So quiet when it snows. No cars or birds. Everything is under one big, snuggly, snowy blanket, where the only thing to do is play. Be in it, be on it, be with it. Lifting your face up to the bright white sky, you feel the flakes flicker and tickle your skin. Opening your mouth, you catch slushy snowflakes on your tongue, making magic ice-cold water that trickles down like a refreshing drink. Now for the snowman. Huffing and puffing, you roll giant snowballs, making his body and head. Scattered sticks beneath the trees make twiggy arms. 2 lumps of coal make his happy eyes, and a grin of little gravel stones make his smile. Finally, you give him the best carrot for a nose. And there he is, looking at you, fresh, new and crisp, ready for whatever's next. What a wonderful snowman he is! And you made him. Above your snowman, the falling snow begins to sparkle more, like a magic dust. Something is happening. He winks. He blinks. He shivers and shakes. Your snowman is alive and is ready to show you the true magic of the snow. He politely holds out his twiggy hand and bows to invite you to take it. You hold on and you begin to swirl in a spiral of snowflakes before you are soaring high in the sky. Beneath you is the snow-covered countryside as the snowman looks to you, smiles and sweeps your direction down towards a little dome, a snow house, an igloo, where inside you find a little family of polar bears, all sat cuddled up, enjoying a hot chocolate. You and the snowman are delighted to join them. It's delicious. And after it's finished, the polar bears bid you goodbye with the biggest, best polar bear hug. What a squashy squeeze. Now you and the snowman head out onto an icy lake, sliding on your tummies, whee, across the frozen water. The snowman lifts you up, 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 and whoosh, you stop, breathless, on top of a mountain. As you catch your breath, the sky explodes into a show of colour. Red, green, purple, like a genie coming out of a magic lamp. What a dazzling sight! This magical moment is happening right now, and the snowman stands beside you, your friend. Time to go. You and the snowman rise up into the marble sky. The colours wrap around you, and the moonbeams guide you home. Slowly you land, and the snowflakes settle, leaving only stillness, as your snowman resumes the spot where you made him. You release his twiggy hand, and one last look at his face. He winks, and you head inside. On the shelf, you see a snow globe, full of twinkling little lights, and a snowy scene within. There, a family of polar bears, standing beside a snowman, and a sky full of colour. You will never forget your snowman adventure, and cherish the magic that you made all of this happen for yourself. Slowly now, begin to come back to the present moment. Take a deeper breath and wiggle your fingers and toes. Enjoy a stretch and slowly, gently open your eyes, letting the world back in again.